Hi guys, and welcome back. If you guys are new here, my name is Alyssa, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a whole apartment clean. I'm tackling just about every room in my apartment except my brother's room because I don't go in there, I don't mess with his stuff, that's his responsibility, but I clean the rest of the apartment. And as you guys can tell from these before clips, I've definitely been neglecting some areas, actually a lot of areas in here, because I've been working on something else, which I will be sharing with you guys hopefully in my next video next week, so definitely stick around for some exciting news. But I wanted to start off with laundry because you guys know laundry takes forever, so I wanted to get that running while I started cleaning the rest of the apartment. I started using this new detergent. Well, it's not really new. I already use like half the bottle, but it's the Gain with essential oils. And I do really like how it smells, but I don't like that it doesn't have like a cap to fill to a certain line. So I always feel like I either use way too much or not enough. So if you guys have used the Gain Essentials, definitely let me know if you guys like it and if you will be repurchasing it. I like that it has essential oils in it, but I just don't like that it doesn't come with like a cap.
You want to, please don't be polite, cause I like your attitude.
You guys already know I love my Dyson V6, and as you can see, it picks up so much stuff. If you guys are new here, I have 2 cats and a dog that live with me, so there's so much dog hair, and this vacuum is amazing and picks up literally everything. So I love it, and I'm definitely gonna keep it until it doesn't work anymore. My least favorite room to clean is the bathroom. I don't know if it's just this bathroom or like bathrooms in general, but I don't know. Bathrooms kind of gross me out. So I did the easy stuff first, like emptying the garbage cans, which tend to get filled up super quick for whatever reason. I guess I throw a lot of stuff away, but I did that, and then I wanted to just give everything a good wipe down, put everything away on the counters. I ended up actually doing the bathtub, which I think is part of the reason why I hate cleaning the bathroom, because I hate cleaning the bathtub / shower. I feel like no matter what I do, it doesn't get clean and it just bothers me. So I think that's like a big part of it. But anyway, I just want to give everything a good wipe down. Toilet definitely needed to be cleaned, and this is probably the most neglected area in my apartment because, like I said, I just hate cleaning it. So when I do clean it, I love the after feeling. I just hate actually doing it. What is your guys' least favorite room to clean? Is it the bathroom as well, or is it another room in the house?
Let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head. It's me and you, pulse speeding, my heart is racing, but I'm not sure I wanna face it, cause it only does this with you. Our bodies meet, I can feel the tension, move us into the next dimension. Let's just let our bodies be true. We make out for the thrill of it, mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end.
for the dreaded bathtub, I decided to let it sit with some bleach because it definitely had like some discoloration, and I think it needs to be like resealed, but that's like a personal problem. It's an apartment, so I'm probably gonna have to have them come and check it out because I literally use bleach. I use this Barkeeper's Friend soft scrub, and it looks dirty, but it's obviously not dirty, and I think it needs to be resealed. So that's something that I need to do, but I did use this to clean. It smelled good. It looked pretty decent except for like the bottom of it. And then I just rinsed it off and I let it air dry, which I know is probably not the best thing to do, and I should have just towel dried it, but I was just too lazy because I hate cleaning in the bathroom. So the faster I can get done, the better. After I switched over that first load of laundry and started a new load with my blanket, it was time to start in the kitchen. As you guys can see, it was pretty bad, and pretty bad for me is this because it literally is just me and my brother, so there's really no reason it should get this dirty. And this stove, guys, I've battled with the stove since we moved in about 9 or 10 months ago. It never seems to look clean. It always looks a hot mess. But anyway, I started with loading the dishwasher, which I hate doing because I hate touching dirty dishes. I usually rinse mine a little before I put them in. I know a lot of people don't do that because they don't want to waste water. But I don't know, I'm OCD about it. So I usually rinse stuff before I put it in. And then I started like the stove and just putting things away. Just to feel your arms around me, I will give my love to you. But when I see you, when I get there, so I first wiped the stove with Infuse all-purpose cleaner from Target, and as you can see, it's pretty disgusting. I just want to start off with a relatively clean surface. I then went in with a magic eraser, which I saw this trick somewhere on YouTube. I don't remember where, and I'll show you guys in a second. It was actually still pretty disgusting, and the magic eraser picks up a lot of stuff. It's really good at picking up like the hard stuck on food, so if you guys are having a hard time with your stove, definitely try using a magic eraser. It doesn't have to be name brand. You can get them at Dollar Tree. The last thing I did was went in with my Mrs. Meyer cream cleanser and just scrub that on all over with my Dollar Tree like scrub brush, and then I let it sit for a little bit and came back and wiped it off with some paper towel, and it looked as good as it's gonna look. There's some white cloudy marks that are there from before I moved in that are never coming off, but this is as clean as it's gonna get, and I'm happy with it.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different.
If you guys have watched some of my previous videos, you know that my cats especially are super messy eaters, and there's just hair and water and food everywhere. So I had to clean up their little area. This is my cat Callie, if you guys are new here. Also, if you guys are more curious about my pet cleaning routine and everything I do to take care of my pets and keep my house clean with them, definitely check out this video right here. I will link it up in the cards as well as down below in the description box. But I just went in with my Mrs. Meyer's wood cleaner and wiped all their food off and stuff onto the floor because I was just about to sweep. And then I washed out like their food bowls and stuff. And I washed out their water bowl and refilled it because they get everything in there and it's just gross. So again, yeah, if you're curious, definitely check out my pet cleaning routine because I have a whole routine. Because it's literally like having a child and they make a mess of just about everything. The laundry was finally done washing and drying, so I quickly folded everything. This load was all my sheets and towels. I usually wash them together because I don't want to like waste a load. This is why I like to just throw them in before I start cleaning, because then they get ready and all done while I'm still cleaning, so I'm still motivated to fold them and put them away, and I don't have to wait for them another time. So definitely throw a load in before you start your household cleaning chores.
We got everything we need right here. Wine and burning chemistry. You and me alone. You and me alone. Inside of our embassy. Everything we need right here. Make me sing along. Sing along. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. Oh, watch me.
Like I said earlier, my cats literally make a mess out of everything, and especially this carpet, this rug, it doesn't help that it's black and you can literally see everything. So the cat litter, the cat food, and the cat fur literally stick out like a sore thumb. So I have to go in and vacuum it multiple times a week. The good part is it's very satisfying to watch back. So I hope this gives you guys plenty of motivation to vacuum some rooms in your house, because like I said, I could literally watch this all day. It is so satisfying to see it all nice and clean after.
Stars align onto your face, pretty sweet, your sour taste. Make me sing along, sing along. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. Oh, watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. We got everything we need, right? Watch me dancing in the colors.
After all the floors were swept and vacuumed, I wanted to go in the kitchen and in the entryway and give it a quick mop with my Swiffer. I didn't feel like pulling out my big mop because I wasn't doing the whole floor. I was just doing the most highly trafficked areas in the home. So like I said, the kitchen definitely needed it because we're in there all the time. And then the entryway by the front door, because obviously that's where we all come in and out. So those were the two most used area that definitely needed to be cleaned. And that's going to wrap up the cleaning for today. I really hope this gave you guys plenty of motivation, and don't forget to subscribe because I got some exciting news coming for you guys. I appreciate you sticking around even through my short absence, and I look forward to sharing some exciting news with you guys. So I'll see you next week for another video. Have a great day. Bye.